Hello, welcome back to the Wazuh step-by-step series. In the last video, we deployed the Wazuh server engine that analyzes our security data. In today's video, we're moving on to the next core component, the Wazuh dashboard. The Wazuh dashboard is an interactive UI that helps to visualize security events and alert data. It can also be great for managing your agents and also implementing development. And by the end of the video, you have a working Wazuh dashboard. And if you've been following us throughout this series, you should also have the Wazuh indexer and server currently running. Okay, now we're going to start by installing the package dependencies that are required for the Wazuh dashboard. Next, we're installing the Wazuh dashboard packages. Now we're going to configure the Wazuh dashboard. The server host specifies the host of the Wazuh server. To allow remote users to connect, set this value to the Wazuh dashboard server. The value of 0.0.0 will accept all available IP addresses of the host. In this video, we're going to be using the IP address of the host VM. An open search host is the IP address of your Wazuh indexer. In this case, it's going to be on the same exact VM. Now we're going to be deploying the certificates. These encrypt the communication between the dashboard and the Wazuh server. Now we're going to be enabling and starting the Wazuh dashboard service. Now we're going to be telling the Wazuh dashboard where the IP address of the Wazuh server. In our case, it's going to be on the same device. Note throughout this tutorial, if you're doing exactly the same, you can just use localhost instead of the computer's IP. Now that we have installed and configured all the Wazuh central components, we're going to change the default passwords using this script. And our final step before accessing our dashboard is to let the dashboard through the firewall. And thank you for watching the video today. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. And in the next video, we're going to be making a video showing how to connect the Wazuh Agent and what type of logs show up in the Wazuh dashboard.